All right, so here are the questions. Like, this is the basic stuff of creating a database. And we have create DB. So that one is going to be what? Somebody tell me. Create database. Name. I won't get confusing syntax for you. Sample. Semicolon. How do we list our databases? \L. How do we change into a database? \C and then the name of the database. Semicolons not necessary. How do we see the details of a table? \D. Details of tables. \D. How do we see the details of a specific table? \D, maybe customers, whatever the table's name is. Semicolons not needed. How do we create a table? Create table, customers, and then we're going to have here field name, data type, constraints. Field name, data type, constraints. Field name, data type, constraints. Field name, CID, data type, int, constraints, primary key, not null, comma, see first, text, not null, in paren, semicolon, field name, data type, constraints. Okay, so done. How do we insert records? Insert into customers, and then which fields we're inserting into? CID, see first, values, and then the values we want to insert. One, single tick for text, James. 2, single tick for text, Jenny, semicolon. How do we say can in Espanol? Lata. We're learning a language. Okay? We're learning a language. That's just to remind you we're learning a language. You know what the interesting thing is about how memory works? Is I did not remember Jose's name this morning until I said, how do you say can in Espanol, Jose? And that's when his name came back to me. It came back to me at that point because Jose told me his name when we were talking about cans in Espanol. So when I accessed the part of my mind, cans in Espanol, that was associated with Jose's name. His name came back to me. Our memory works by association. Just kind of an interesting thing to know. Lata. We're learning the language.